What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, as you can see, I got my head back. I got a bunch of parts in here. I got new head studs, some screws, a new tensioner, and I got the head gasket, new timing belt, and new alternator belt, and I also got more things in here. I already opened it, so I couldn't wait. Alright, so what we got in the box, number 2, I got a OEM radio bracket delete. I got the new, I think this is the intake gasket, new exhaust gasket, new, what are they called? The spark plug seals. I got a new valve cover gasket and a new hood latch because they're notorious for breaking. So while I'm waiting on my friend to get here, hopefully he gets here today. If not, we're going to be continuing the next video with the head being put on. As you can tell, it's all ready. I just need to clean up right around the motor. I still need to clean some of this up, but it's all ready to go. But as of right now, let's put this little radio bracket delete in. Alright, so as you can tell, it's gonna go right here. So let me open. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do, it's real easy. It even has the place where you can put the harness for the radio, so that's pretty cool. It really doesn't say up and down, but I don't think it really matters. It has little grooves, and then you just that goes in. See? I think it looks a lot better with the radio down here. Just because, you know, Hondas, they're notorious for getting stolen and broken into. But while I was going through all of this stuff, I didn't really tell you guys what my main plan for this car is. So basically, my main plan is, one, to get the car up and running. As you can tell, I'm all ready for that. Got everything ready to go to be put into the car. But I'm gonna, because it has a D16 Y7 in it, so it's non-VTEC. So what I'm gonna do is, eventually I might get the Y8 intake manifold. I'm not sure if I want to get that or if I want to go with a Skunk 2. I have to, you know, look it up and see what the difference is, see if there's any difference, because you could pick up a Y8 intake manifold for under $100 versus $300 for an intake manifold. But once this is all good to go, we're going to turbo it. I'm going to try to do it on a budget, so that means if I can find hand-me-down parts, no eBay parts, you know, it's going to be a legit build. So hopefully my plan goes through and this thing, probably the next video, you'll see it running. But one thing I'll probably address is I want to get new motor mounts for it, just because it's a 97. Why not? I do need to wash it. What else? I do need to get a new bumper because the last owner, well, I know this is not bad, but as you can tell, it's all cracked. Looks like they backed into something, and it definitely needs a wash. So once I get this car running, I will be cleaning it and prepping it for turbo. So hopefully you guys enjoy, you know, watching these videos. I appreciate all you guys that actually watch them and give it a big thumbs up. But that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys like this short little update video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.